In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build your email list from Instagram with Mailchimp. So start by logging into your account, then in the left panel, click on Create, then select Landing Page. So here, basically add a landing page name and of course select your audience and click on the Begin button. Next, design a page with a clear call to action and a sign up form to collect emails. And once you're done with designing, click on Save and Close. Next is copy your landing page URL. And next, we're going to now set up an automation. So head over to Automations, then choose Flow Template. Then next is scroll down to find and welcome new contacts and click on Welcome New Contacts template. So this is how the flow looks like. And here click on Use this flow. You basically need to set up this automation so that new subscribers receive a welcome email automatically once they sign up through your landing page. And once done, save and activate this automation. Then next in a new tab, head over to Linktree and log into your account. Then next, make sure that you are in the links page and click on the add button. And here, paste the link that you copied from your Mailchimp landing page earlier. So click on Mailchimp. You can also add that link to your Instagram bio and make sure you use a short, engaging CTA like join my newsletter or get free tips. Lastly, share the Linktree link in posts, stories, or reels to your Instagram to encourage followers to click and subscribe. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!